This is a 2014 Ford Mustang. You're gonna spend $65 to $67 here on this hood. And if you go online on eBay and you resell this hood here, you're gonna make $700 in your wallet. Now, what are you waiting for? It's just sitting here. All right, now we are back here in Central Florida Pick and Pay in the Ford section, the beautiful, extremely large Ford section. Now, we are gonna be finding out what exactly you've been walking past and missing your money every time you come here to the junkyard. Let's get started. Now, this right here is a Ford Ranger. Now, everybody knows the Ford Ranger and everybody loves the Ford Ranger. But why are we here? The transmission it has inside, the 4.0 engine transmission. That transmission is $250 here at this junkyard. Now you're probably thinking, why I'm gonna pay $250 if I gotta take it out? Here's the best part. You take this thing out, you get $1,400 in your wallet for selling that transmission. Now I only have one question for you. What are you waiting for? Now, we got a 17-inch Ford wheel over here. Now, I'm not really sure what car it came off of, but that's not what's important. The important part is it is beautiful. Now, you're gonna spend $103 here at the junkyard. And when you go outside, you go home and you resell this thing on eBay, you can resell just the rim alone with no tire for $360. And now that it has a tire on it already, you could probably sell it for even $500. Just this one singular wheel. That is insane. And it's just sitting here. Beautiful. Come get it. It rolls away for you. Now this right here is a 2018 Ford Fusion. Now this Ford Fusion is absolutely gorgeous, but we are here for the tailgate. Now this tailgate right here is gonna run you about $120 here. Now I know you're thinking, wow, that's a bit of money. Wrong. Outside, you're gonna spend at least $300, $375, maybe even $500, depending on where you're buying it from. Now, why not get it here? And even if you don't own the car, you make some money. You take these 4 bolts out and you get out of here, man. You make that money. Now this right here is a 1965 Ford Thunderbird. Now, you're probably thinking, wow, that car's old. You're not gonna make much money out of a car this old. Well, you're wrong. You are very wrong. That is why this metal bumper is only $90 here. That's it, $90. Now you go online and you look at eBay. Every OEM bumper from this car, real metal, $1,500. That's $1,000 plus in your wallet for taking this out and reselling it. What are you waiting for? We have reached the end of our beautiful video, but I have a couple questions for you guys. What part have you bought in the Ford section that has made you money? If you ever have bought a part in the Ford section. And if you haven't, let us know what parts you would buy in the Ford section to make you a little bit of money. We want to see it all right down here. And then I know that there's a little red button that a lot of you guys haven't pressed yet. I want you to, you see this? This is that red button. Just like that. Smack that red button, subscribe, because you guys love cars and you guys love making money. And make sure to catch us next time at Central Florida Pick and Pay. I didn't do it, it wasn't me.